In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Claude repeating instructions it has already followed. When working with Claude on longer conversations, you may occasionally notice that it repeats information, restates instructions, or continues mentioning requirements that have already been completed. While this doesn't always prevent progress, it can make the conversation less efficient and create unnecessary repetition. This issue is more common during complex projects where multiple instructions, revisions, and goals have been discussed across many messages. As the conversation grows, Claude may try to reinforce earlier instructions even when those instructions have already been successfully applied. The result can be responses that feel repetitive, longer than necessary, or focused on reminders instead of moving the project forward. Fortunately, this is usually not a technical problem. In most cases, it can be corrected by improving how instructions are structured and how the conversation is managed. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of simple methods to reduce repetition and keep Claude focused on the current task. So, let's get started. The first method is to clearly acknowledge when completed instructions and then direct the conversation toward the next objective. This helps establish which tasks are finished and which tasks still need attention. Keeping instructions current can reduce unnecessary repetition. If Claude continues repeating old requirements, start a new session and provide a concise summary of the completed work. Include only the information that is relevant to the next stage of the project. A fresh conversation often helps Claude focus on the current goal without carrying unnecessary context from earlier messages. In most situations, these simple methods will improve the workflow. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, clearly identify when an instruction has already been completed. Second, focus new prompts on the next objective instead of repeating old requirements. And third, consider starting a new session with a clean summary when conversations become too long. Remember that AI conversations work best when instructions are organized and focused on the current task. Reducing unnecessary context can help Claude generate more relevant responses and avoid repeating information that is no longer needed. It's also a good practice to periodically review long conversations and remove instructions that no longer apply to the project. This helps maintain clarity and allows Claude to spend more attention on the work that matters most. A structured workflow can significantly improve efficiency and make AI-assisted projects easier to manage from start to finish. And that's how to fix Claude repeating instructions it has already followed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or AI workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.